morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, the last update, okay, based on, if you check it on our video, the last update, okay, it changes the UI of the smartwatch from the okay, circular, okay, menu, okay, access menu. It is now a bubble type menu. Okay, so now you can use your crown button here to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so although I'm not a fan of this one, you can't do anything as it has changed after the update. I don't know if this can be changed on the support app, so we're going to check it out. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Again, the last update changed the semicircular menu to bubble type here. Okay, so let's try to check if we have other settings here, such as menu option. Okay, so other settings, so far we spotted none. There's no option for that. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, so the device, again, let's take a look. We have the watch faces here. Okay, favorite, find device, health reminder, notification, restore, factory settings. I think if you switch it or restore it to factory settings, it will go back to the previous design or previous menu. Okay, anyway, we have this. Okay, so let's check. As we promised, we'll check on the watch faces, the available watch faces. So far, the smartwatch don't have a watch faces that you might see on the Apple Watch 7. Okay, maybe when the smartwatch is out, okay, we'll have that option here. Okay, so we have here the custom screensaver or custom watch faces. We also have several watch faces available in different category. We have the most recommended. We also have a for sale watch faces here with a price. Doesn't have a, okay, you have to pay for it. We have here the data, simplicity, okay, cartoons, color, business. Okay, so let's check. Although there's a lot of watch faces here, seems like it is for sale. Okay, so let's check for free watch faces. Okay, for example, we have here for the recommended, so let's see. Okay, so installation, we have here only one free watch faces here. Most do have a price for $1. Okay, so there's an ad for the WearFit Pro, plus the watch faces are not free. Okay, compared to other support app that the watch faces are totally free. Okay, seems like I'm beginning to hate the support app. Okay, so let's try this one for demo. Okay, installation. So let's try install. So it is installing. Simple white. It has a lot of beautiful watch faces here, but it's not free. Okay, so it is installing. We have here some activity. Okay, it's automatically download your smartwatch. So let's try. Hopefully you'll be able to download. For example, this one, the classic watch face, Mickey Mouse watch face. Okay, I think it is available in other support app also, but it's free. Here you have to pay for one or less than $1. Although it is affordable, but still it should be free. Okay, for example, this one, the astronaut, I think this is free in DT100. Okay, like this one, it's free in DT100 support app. Okay, but here you have to pay for it. I think this is the only disappointing feature for this one. Okay, beautiful, we have a lot of beautiful watch faces here, but most of the loaded watch faces here is for sale. We have 0.60 cents dollars, but mostly we have a $1 price. Okay, how about this one, the custom screensaver? Okay, so we can add our own photo. Okay, I'm going to look for a photo here. Okay, wait, I'm just going to sort out my photos here. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Try apply. Okay, so you can crop it. Okay, installation, so we have here the installation. Okay, the style. Okay, I'm going to pick this one. The position of the time on the top, style here, and the background. Okay, so let's try and load it to our smartwatch. Installation. So it is installing 2%, 5%. So far it has a watch faces repository on the support app. We also have custom watch faces. I'm pretty sure you will love it, especially if you love customization. The issue with the watch faces here, available watch faces, is that it is for sale. It has a price. It is not totally free. Unlike other support app, for example, WearFit app, you can download the watch faces for free. The Wear Pro app. Okay, so this one, it is the WearFit Pro app. Okay, it is not free, the watch faces. Plus, it has a lot of annoying, I already point this out before in other installation. It has a lot of annoying ads for the support app, in the support app. Okay, it turns me off. I don't like it. Okay, but so far it's easy to install. It has a lot of options. Okay, it has a lot of downloadable watch faces, but most of them are not free. We also have here a custom screensaver or custom wallpaper watch face for the smartwatch. So far it has a stable connectivity to the device, easy to install. Okay, updated. We also have the over-the-air update for the smartwatch. Okay, let's try it with if we will have a successful installation. As you can see here, almost okay. As you can see here, smooth connectivity, smooth installation of the support app. We have here the custom watch face for the IWO 7. Okay, how about here for up to date? Okay, so let's check. Up to date again. We only have one free watch face here for the data. For this, the color. Okay, let's check. We have again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 watch face. It is free to install. Okay, let's pick this one, the Tetris. Most do have a tag price, so it's not free. You have to buy it. You also have here business. We have several analog and digital watch faces with brands. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 watch face. Okay, and all are 2, 4, 6, at least 6, and all are for sale. Okay, so that's it for the installation of the watch faces for the smartwatch. Again, there's no option for changing the menus here. Okay, so far we did not notice any options for changing the menu, but it has added this one, another one that is missing from the previous UI. We have, I think, the QR code. As you can see here, we already have the QR code for the device. If you happen to lose your user manual, you can still know the support app for the smartwatch by accessing or scanning the QR code. Okay, and as you can see here, we have the ads. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries. Goodbye.